So we continue, guys. Now we are in the United States. I start in fifth U.S. company immediately seizes large tracts of land to build sugar, sisal or sisal, I don't know how to pronounce it, rubber and banana plantations. So 50,000 Haitians, peasants, farmers lost their land to U.S. corporate agriculture. 15,000 Haitians were killed resisting the occupations. So Haitians been killed, and you have to understand, Haitians is one group of the people. They have no fear to die for the land, for the country, for what they believe, and the faith is so strong. I truly believe even majority of us we so disobedient over God, but he understand how our faith is so strong because God is a God that stand by faith, and that's why he still keep this land, these people in life. The US also centralized Haiti's finances, controlling customs revenues, and redirecting export earning to US banks. Haiti vibrant coffee and cacao export economy, which had made it one of the richest colonies or colonized in the 18th century, was systematically restructured to serve U.S. corporate needs, not Haitian farmers. This is a source from Haiti Solidarity Network, U.S. State Debt Office of the historian J. Starr Academic Archives. So what I want to say by that, that's why I love older people. I met a lot of Jamaican older ladies when they always told me they used to go to Haiti to buy and resell in their country. And when you meet people who are older, who could be your grandma or your mother, they know Haiti wasn't like that. The one who used to go to Haiti. And if they told you Haiti was bad, it's because they don't want to tell you the truth. I met more than 3 Jamaican women and Jamaican men too. They told me, oh yeah, I used to go to Haiti all the time. We go buy and we resell. The country was very good. And people have to understand this country break freedom and sent a signal to all black countries. This is the first black country who got their freedom and who decided to die for the right thing. But the one thing the Haitians did wrong, I don't want to say all of them, the majority is turning to the devil and is worshiping the devil. And so let's go to the Reagan's Caribbean Basin Initiative in 1983, the agricultural blueprint. So in 1983, President Reagan launched the Caribbean Basin Initiative, CBI, marketed as development aid for Haiti. In reality, USAID used the CBI to pressure Haiti to dismantle its rural economy, slash agriculture tariffs, close state-owned agriculture institutions, defund Haiti's agricultural agency in the Artibonite Valley, Haiti's primary rice-growing region. Anyone who is originally from Haiti, they know they said Artibonite made a lot of rice and Kenskoff made a lot of onion. Open all port to forward commercial import. USAID's own internal documents acknowledge that these policies could increase poverty and contribute to a decline in average Haitian income and health standard, and proceeded anyway. The goal was to turn Haiti into a cheap manufacturing hub for American textile companies. Peasant farmers were supposed to migrate from the land to cities and work in sweet shops, creating a labor force too desperate to demand higher wages. This forced migration happened, but the promised factory jobs never materialized in sufficient numbers, leaving millions of displaced farmers in urban slums with no land, no food, and security, no income. This is a source from worldhunger.org, IATP, Institute for Agriculture and Trade Policy. So, you who speaking nonsense about this country, I think you need to take a deep breath and do your research. God gave you two eyes, one tongue, a brain to process. Now, use them the right way. And if you don't know how to use them the right way, He give you a knees. Put your knees down and ask Him to speak to you. And one thing that I want to say about the United States, I truly believe you have to repent. Because when I read the Bible, a lot of things the Lord said not to do, the United States decided to do them. And after I listened to Dr. Miles Monroe, which is a great motivational speaker, he passed away, but this man works still in the world. He's still working from the Bahamas. He had a warning sign for Haiti and the United States. And this is a long time ago. He passed away. And I fall on his video and I said, wow, that is really surprising. So, Americans people, before you get very angry at countries that are coming here to get a better life, you have to understand those countries, they come here because the country been destroyed by a lot of you. I'm not saying Americans, but by the politics. So we as children of God, we should not be confrontational to those people. We have to pray for God to bring peace to the politicians, for them to do the right thing, and also for the people, for God to bring prosperity and healing for them. Because could you believe you have your land and someone come to your land, take over and destroy your country, destroy everything that you fight for? Trust me, you will be hungry. And that's why as a child of God, we have to be able to put our shoes to someone else's shoes, so we can feel, we can be sensitive to what they're doing, to what they're dealing with, instead of speaking nonsense. The Creole Pig Massacre in 1981 and 1984, killings Haiti Rural Bank. So this is one of the most devastating, at least non-chapters. I know that. My dad always told me about that. And all those things that I'm telling you, my parents tell me about them. The Creole pig, cochon Creole, was the cornerstone of Haitian rural life. It wasn't just food. It was the peasant saving account, insurance policy, and investment vehicle. Haiti is a chosen country. Whatever you want it or not, you can call Haitian all name you want. If you're Haitian, you know the truth, and your parents really tell you the truth. You touch this land, just touching this land, you know. I told you I touched the land of Haiti. Since I went back to my birth country, I'm no longer the same. Because this is a very spiritual country. You can use this spirituality very good, doing good to it, or you can use it very bad and worship the devil. But spiritual is spiritual. The enemy was with God. He already has the power. Even God told him away, he still have the power. He just using it the wrong way. It's the same thing for Haiti. So pigs were sold to pay school fee. Pigs were sold during emergencies, illness, funeral, weddings. Pigs were sold to buy more farmland when it became available. By the late 1970s, there were an estimated 1 million Creole pigs in Haiti. In 1978-1979, African swine or swipe fever, ASF, spread from the Dominican Republic into Haiti, killing many pigs. In 1981, a consortium of forward institutions, FAQ, OAS, Inter-American Development Bank, IDB, and 3 governments, including the United States, convinced the Haitian government to kill every single pig in Haiti. The promise: farmers will receive compensation and be supplied with replacement pigs. The reality. The United States, again, I'm telling you, you have to repent. Everything that I'm reading now is the pure work of the enemy. All pigs were killed. Compensation was sporadically distributed. Elites got most of it. The replacement pigs were American pigs that required special pens, commercial feed, and veterinary care. Things rural Haitian farmers could not afford. As one farmer famously said, the forward pig lives in a better house and eats better food than we do.